Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please be upstanding for the arrival of His Excellency.
Your Excellency, the President of the People's Republic of China, Xi Jinping, and Madam. Your Excellencies, the heads of states of the Pacific Island countries, and your good ladies. The Prime Minister of the Republic of Fiji, Honorable Josiah Barenge Bainimarama, and Mrs. Mary Bainimarama. Your Excellencies, the heads of government of the Pacific Island countries, and your ladies. Honorable Ministers, Assistant Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, Your Excellencies, the Ambassadors and High Commissioners, members of the Diplomatic Corps, ladies and gentlemen.
尊敬的中华人民共和国国家主席习近平和彭丽媛女士，各位太平洋岛国的国家元首和政府首脑们，斐济共和国的总理伍拜尼马拉玛和总理夫人，尊敬的各位部长，尊敬的各位议员，尊敬的各国使节，尊敬的各国使团的代表，女士们、先生们。
Ni hao, good evening, Isam Bulabinaka, Salam Alaikum, Namaste.
晚上好，你们好，布拉。
It is indeed a great honor and equally a great pleasure for the First Lady, Andikwela, and I to be your hosts this evening.
我和我夫人能够今天晚上在此设宴款待各位，确实深感荣幸，也感到非常的高兴。
This historic state visit by His Excellency, President Xi Jinping, marks a pivotal point in Fiji's history.
此次习近平阁下对斐济的国事访问，可以说在斐济的历史之上写下了浓墨重彩的一页。
Not just for Sino-Fijian relations, but for our international relations in general, which will be remembered for many generations to come.
它不仅仅对于中斐双边关系非常重要，而且对于我们整体的国际关系也非常的重要。我相信几代人之后，大家仍然会清楚地记得这次访问。
Just earlier this evening, I had the pleasure of meeting His Excellency the President, where we talked about many issues of mutual interest for both our countries.
今天晚上早些时候，我有幸和习近平主席进行了双边的会谈，我们双方就两国关心的一些问题交换了意见。
His Excellency the President's bilateral meeting tomorrow with the Prime Minister Barenge Bainimarama will no doubt explore opportunities for the strengthening and deepening of Fiji-China relations. Both leaders will also witness the signing of several bilateral arrangements, which will enhance this relationship and set the platform for further cooperation.
明天，习近平主席将与斐济总理姆拜里马拉玛阁下进行双边会晤。毫无疑问，他们的会晤将进一步的探讨如何进一步的加强并且加深中斐的双边关系，而且双方的领导人将共同见证一系列双边合作协议的签署。这些协议将进一步的加强我们的关系，并且为未来的合作搭好舞台。
It dawned on me during my meeting with His Excellency the President earlier this evening how far Fiji has progressed from those days when we were relegated to watching from the sideline as global powers deliberate on our future direction as a nation and as a people.
曾几何时，斐济只能站在国际社会的边缘，看着那些全球性的大国就我们这个国家、这个民族的命运进行讨论。而今天晚上早些时候，我和习主席的会晤，让我看到我们离那一段时间已经走出了很长的一段道路。
Today, we bear witness to the rise of a modern Fiji.
今天我们共同见证了一个现代的斐济的崛起。
A Fiji which has grown in confidence, strength, and maturity. As a government and as a nation, to chart our own course, to determine our own destiny.
今天的斐济自信心更足了，力量更强了，而且更加的成熟。我们的政府和我们的人民也做好准备，去规划我们自己的道路，去决定我们自己的命运。
During the past 8 years, we are indeed grateful that China has been constantly by Fiji's side, through thick and thin, so to speak, and quietly nurturing the saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed. And might I add that China is a friend indeed, and more.
在过去的8年多的时间以来，我们非常感谢中国一直选择和斐济站在一起。你们和我们风雨同舟，患难与共，这也印证了那样的一句老话：患难见真情。而中国呢，就真正的是我们的患难之交，比患难之交的朋友更好的朋友。Honorable Prime Minister Mubani Marama and Mrs. Mubani Marama, Honorable Heads of State and Government and your spouses, Honorable Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, Honorable Ambassadors and High Commissioners and representatives of international organizations, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, good evening, Bula.
我很高兴应Nailatikau和姆拜尼马拉马总理的邀请，对斐济进行国事访问。时隔5年，再度踏上斐济的国土。上一次我是作为国家副主席过境过这里，这一次呢，我是正式的访问这里。我又一次感受到斐济人民的质朴热情，感受到太平洋岛国文化的迷人魅力，也感受到斐济在经济社会发展中展现出来的巨大的活力。
The last time I paid a stopover visit to Fiji 5 years ago in the capacity as the Vice President of China, and this time I'm paying a state visit as the President of China to Fiji. So after 5 years' time, I'm setting foot again on the soil of Fiji, and I have once again felt the warmth of the Fijian people, the charismatic Pacific culture, and the great vigor beaming from Fiji's economic and social development.
在此，我仅对斐济政府和人民的盛情款待和周到安排表示衷心的感谢。
Hereby, I would like to extend our sincere gratitude for the warm hospitality and thoughtful arrangement of the Fijian government and people.
岛国谚语说得好，不管风吹雨打，船只终将驶入海港。不久前，斐济成功地举行了大选，翻开国家发展建设新篇章。当前，斐济经济持续向好，社会事业稳定发展，人民生活不断改善，国际交往更加活跃。中国作为斐济的真诚朋友，对此感到由衷的高兴。
As an island proverb goes, no matter how harsh the storm is, the boats are bound to sail to the harbor. Most recently, Fiji has held a successful general election, turning a new page in your national development. Right now, Fiji enjoys an upbeat economy, steady growth of your social undertakings, continuous improvement of your people's livelihood, and more dynamic international exchanges. As a true friend of Fiji, we are indeed happy for you.
我们相信，在纳拉蒂考总统和姆拜尼马拉马总理领导下，斐济人民必将在建设更美好斐济征程上不断取得新成就。
We are confident that under the capable leadership of President Nailatikau and Prime Minister Mubani Marama, the Fijian people are bound to register new progress on the course to build a better Fiji.
中非两国虽然远隔万里，但两国人民的心始终是紧密相连。早在19世纪，就有中国人来到斐济，同当地人民共同劳作，建设家园，播下了友谊的种子。多年来，两国相互尊重、相互支持，共同发展，共同进步。友谊的种子已经开花结果。我这次访问斐济，就是带着中国人民对斐济人民的友好感情而来，就是为了深化双方的传统友谊，推进双方的互利合作，促进共同发展的崇高事业而来。
China and Fiji, though thousands of miles apart, the hearts of our people have always been closely linked to each other. As early as in the 19th century, the Chinese came down to Fiji. They worked together with the local people here to build their homes and sowed the seeds of friendship. Over the years, our two countries have been respecting and supporting each other for common development and common progress. Now, the seeds of our friendship have bloomed and yielded fruits. I have brought with me on this trip to Fiji the friendly relations of the Chinese people towards the Fijian people. And the purpose of the visit is to deepen our traditional friendship, promote the mutually beneficial between us, beneficial cooperation between us, and also advance the shared lofty course of common development.
刚才我和纳拉蒂考总统进行了很好的会见，达成了许多的共识。我们一致同意加强双方各级别交往，深化务实合作，扩大人文交流，加强多边协调，把两国关系不断推向前进。
Just now, I have had a very good meeting with President Nailatikau, where the two sides reached many agreement. We have both agreed to strengthen our exchanges at all levels, deepen our practical cooperation, expand people-to-people exchanges, strengthen multilateral coordination, and in this way, we hope to continue to push our bilateral relationship forward.
明天我将同姆拜尼马拉马总理举行会谈，并且呢，从明天开始呢，和太平洋建交岛国的领导人会晤。我期待着同各位同事共商发展和合作大计。我相信，只要我们齐心协力，就一定能够开创中国同斐济以及太平洋建交岛国关系更加美好的未来。
Tomorrow, I'll be holding bilateral talks with Prime Minister Mubani Marama, and starting from tomorrow, I will also be having meetings with other heads of states or government from Pacific Island countries with which China has diplomatic relationship. I look forward to working with my colleagues to jointly map out plans for our development and cooperation. I'm convinced that as long as we work together with one heart and mind, we will be able to jointly usher in an even better future for the relationship between China and Fiji and all the Pacific Island countries with which we have diplomatic relations.